You may have seen a couple of my videos on the bridge guy who does these amazing bridges in HO and N scale. Well, on this Monday night, we're going to be having him on the Monday night live stream at 8 p.m. Bob Barber of Hobby Laser Products will be the guest, and we'll be asking him questions. So get your questions ready on anything that you would like to know about him or the bridges that he builds. He does custom bridges, so he can design them with a photo. All you have to do is send him a photo, and he'll do the best that he can to create that bridge for you. All you have to do is tell him what scale, how long, and he'll get it done. So don't forget to tune in on Monday night at 8 p.m. where Bob Barber will be on telling us how he got into this, his background, and a lot about how he designs it and sets everything up to build the bridges. And I'll show you a few of the examples here from a couple of videos that I did in case you haven't seen them. So don't forget to tune in Monday night on YouTube or on Rumble at 8 p.m. So we'll see you there. For $275. $179 right there. Bob Barbara of Hobby Laser Products was at the Plant City Train Show this weekend, October 14th. We got to see him there and all his bridges on display. He has quite a few new bridges in both HO and N scale, and I'm going to show you what I took while I was there. That's an N scale one right there. Oh my goodness, that's a nice one. Okay.
Hello.
Hey, how you doing?
Howdy.
Good to see you. Bob does HO and N scale bridges in kit form. He does custom bridges by your design. Bridge components available separately. Custom bridge designs available. Custom scales can be produced. And also he has a website, www.hobbylaserproducts.com, and I'll put it in the description. So let's continue watching this right now. What's this one right here?
Hellgate. This is the Hellgate.
Yeah.
And this is the Bahia Honda Bridge, and then behind that is the Viaduct des Fadis in France.
Oh, wow.
That's brand new.
Oh,
Then I
boy.
have this one. I just completed this one.
All right. Look at
You see,
that.
it's all the catwalks internally on this. This is N scale.
That's amazing.
Yeah,
Oh, wow.
double track. Now also you can get it in single track.
Yeah. How much you sell that for?
$99.
$99, that's it?
Show special.
Show special.
Yep.
Oh my
If you
goodness.
order show, I'll have it made up to you and sent out to you.
All right.
But it's got a lot of detail work on it too. It also has, you know, the catenaries.
Yeah. Wow. That's amazing. I do HO.
I got to get on your show, man.
How long did it take you to do this one right here?
You're not going to believe it, okay? You're going to think I'm bullshitting you.
Okay.
30 days from the
30
time
days.
I got the engineering drawings to the time I finished it.
Oh, wow.
And I worked on it every day.
Every
Did all,
day.
yeah, did all the CAD, did
Every
the
day.
CAD design work. I had it done in a week.
Yeah. Oh wow. That's amazing.
But it's very accurate. The outline was taken
Yeah.
right from the drawings. This is the Garabit Bridge in France. It was designed by Gustave Eiffel, the guy who built the Eiffel Tower
Oh really?
in the 1800s.
Oh wow.
Yep. It's got a double tapered girders. If you look at the bottom, it's very wide at
Oh,
the
yeah,
bottom.
it's wide,
And it tapers
yeah.
in all the way out the front. And then the piers themselves, they have a center post in the middle, and it has a. If you look real carefully, you'll see there's a ladders that wrap around it,
Oh really?
so the guy can climb up in there.
Oh wow. And what's this one right here?
This one here is the Monaco Beaver Bridge in Pittsburgh.
Oh really?
It's a double track.
Okay.
Yeah. It comes in is built in 10 segments. The piers are all scale looking. Now these bridges are from Switzerland, and the ones in the back with the catenaries on them. Lots of detail on them. You got all the internal catwalks in there too. If you can get
Oh, yeah.
below it, you can see them. That's the HO scale of this.
All right. Man, that's big for HO scale. Yeah. Oh my goodness.
Probably half of it.
That's only half of it.
That's only.
I ran out of tables.
Okay, this one right here is the HO scale version of this one. Yeah. Okay. All right.
Yeah, this one's N.
That's the N scale version. How long is that? That's about 8 foot.
Yeah, just about 8 feet.
Oh my goodness. All right. So that would be 16 foot in HO scale.
Yeah.
My goodness. So $4.99 for the one section of
Yeah.
this one.
No, that's for both
For
sections.
both sections. Okay.
Again, you get a kit. You got to put
Okay.
it together.
All righty. You got to put it together. So
Yeah.
16 foot in HO scale.
Yeah. Now I have all the build instructions down. So I have a book that I make up, and it pretty much lays out everything step by step how to put things together.
All
They're
right.
really not that hard. Okay, this is like about 4 or 5 sections. The key is to keep them square.
Yeah,
Now,
yeah.
I tape everything together first. Okay, make sure everything is perfectly square.
Yeah.
And then I might work on the top and glue in with the cross members. And
Get a close up of this. So don't forget to tune in on Monday night for the live stream at 8 p.m. October 23rd, 2023. We'll be streaming on YouTube and on Rumble. You'll get to see Bob Barber of Hobby Laser Products, and you'll be able to ask any questions you want of him, and he'll be glad to answer them. So check it out on Monday night live stream, and we'll see you then. And have fun building your kits or whatever you do on your model railroad.